It is the second alpha man training stage. I asked woman go out on the date and now I am waiting for her. When followers get women telephones, they ask them go out on the date. At this stage I teach my followers what is the alpha man attitude at dating and longer relationships. If women go out on the date with you, that means she likes you, she wants you. Your job is to create stronger rapport with her. Rapport means that she feels connection for you. If you can make 5 different emotions in her body, she is seduced. Now questions, what's 5? First emotion is make her feel relaxed. You cannot seduce woman if she feels uncomfortable with you. So make sure that she is relaxed. Second emotion. You must make her interested. If she is not interested about you, she will start boring. So never be an open book. Instead of that, tell a little bit about you. If she asks more, tell more. But do not be bravado kind of man. It means he always wants to impress women about his job, money he earns, car he drives. Alpha man knows one very important rule. Money, car and other material stuff impress barracuda type of woman. You can create only successful relationships with giver type of woman. Third emotion. That you must create in her body is comfort on your touches. The more you touch her on date, the less time you will spend to prepare her for sex. You must always ask you how she feels when you touch her, how she reacts on your touches. Does she like it? If not, make it or leave a date. That is the reason why it's so difficult for guys to seduce old girlfriends. They got in the friend zone, became friends with girl because they did not touch her intimately. You must progress. If you do not progress, other males will do it. That is the reason why alpha males have a lot of women and they can choose one of the best for long relationships. Meanwhile, beta males have women who are left after alpha males. Beta males are submissive for alpha males. It means that alpha men always get the best kind of girls. If you are beta male, you will get beta type of girl or nothing. Beta type of girl means she's low value, low self-esteem, low self-confident. It means that she is not such successful like alpha woman. If you want to be successful in your life, achieve everything you want. You must raise your as a man value till you become real alpha man. If you get low value woman who grew in poor family, that means she also will be poor person in life. If your family is poor, they earn very little money, they have poor attitude about life, it means that they install poor attitude into you. Now you have bad worldview. For you it's difficult to be self-confident. It is difficult to earn a lot of money. You earn less than top people. It is all about alpha man lifestyle. Alpha man has strong outlook, how he look to the world. And due to this reason he is also successful in other areas like business, personal development. Women believe in every word of alpha man because he believes in himself. He is self-sure with his actions. On the other hand, beta males always hesitate.